Hello, I'm Alain and I'm here to present of my favorite photo. This is my sister and she is cute. She is 5 years old. She has got brown hair and green eyes. She is very funny. My dad. This is my dad and he is
43.
43 years old. She has got
Blue eyes.
blue eyes and brown hair. He is a good YouTuber. He is smart. My mom. This is my mom. And she is 31 years old. She has got good red hair and she has got green nails. She is a good YouTuber. She is smart. My name and he is
40.
40 years old. He has got blue eyes and brown hair. He is very good YouTuber. My aunt. This is my aunt and he has got brown hair. He has got blue eyes.
Blue and green eyes.
He is 31 years old. He is clever. He is a good singer. This was all. Thank you for your attention and I hope you liked it.